round 3 here at the cemetery here on the 6th day of April 2024. Beautiful day tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, so I'm going to get this out of the way tomorrow. So I saw this cemetery, I said in the very first video, and I videotaped that pedestrian bridge that came out, and they kind of kicked off that one. So this is a kind of a cool little Catholic cemetery. I do want to go to the Jewish one over in Richfield. I think they're interesting. Big bad boy there. A friend of mine who passed away tomorrow, his little get together in St. Paul. Yeah, you can wander through all these old cemeteries. I think they're really cool. Donald. She's still alive. It's well maintained. There's not a lot of trash around here. Usually you get trash. People don't care. You throw stuff around. And a lot of times, a lot of kids were tipping things over. You know, they would tip stuff over. Especially the Jewish ones. Got a hat here. Hell yeah. Freshly done December. So you got all Sherry, daughter. You tell someone this is a. You can tell the first one I did, but it was all the older ones. Look at this sucker right here. Oh my goodness. Blind date, 1953. Engaged, 1954. Married, 2023. 1956. Children, Mary Beth, Michelle, and Joe. He died 2023. She went for 2004. What a great couple. Dorothy's still alive. It's a nice one right there. That's solid as a rock. That sucker's nice. It's like a family plot. It's kind of cool right here. I like this one. Very cool. It's a big one right there. That sucker right there. I'm trying to cut this grass. 1987, pretty young. That's pretty young. 2021, August 15th. I mean, back in the archives, I went to that one there over by Lakewood Cemetery. They didn't really go anywhere. Those were kind of cool, but some people like them, some people don't. But I think it's you know, to give people a little shout out. But you know, dust to dust. Simon, Navy jet, Navy vet. Like I said, all the older ones are over there. That first video I did, so this is kind of big ass one. Schultz. Yeah, some people spend a lot of money on these things, man. Sister Teresa Kramer, probably two sisters, nuns. Some more Kramers here, sisters. Margaret, Helen. She went first, and they might wonder if they're twins or something. Yeah, they must have. They're both born on November 29th. Interesting. Whoosh. Kinds of fun stuff. That's 19. Notice that we did these 1890, 1962. Diane's still alive. Thomas is gone. I like that one that's just a cross. I like that. But anyways, we got 3 out of this bad boy. Cemetery. Anderson. He went in 1981. 2014 she joined him, so. Joyce. Clarence went in 92, she went in 1978. Robert F. went first. Going 15, so. So military, Navy, 1920, World War II, strong those beaches, Navy. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I had fun doing it. So, alright guys, from the outskirts, see everybody all later. See you next time, another adventure.